and welcome. Today we are going to do 20 MCQs on Indian culture. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question number first is, which classical dance form is known for its heavy use of mudra and abhinaya, traditionally performed by men in temple courtyards of Kerala? A. Bharatanatyam, B. Kathakali, C. Mohiniyattam, D. Kuchipudi. Correct answer is option B. Question number second. The Thanka paintings, which often depict the life of Buddha or various deities, are primarily associated with which region? A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Sikkim and Ladakh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option C. Question third. In which state is the famous Hornbill Festival celebrated annually to protect the and promote the heritage of its indigenous tribes? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Manipur, C. Nagaland, D. Mizoram. Correct answer is option C. Nagaland. Question 4. The Satriya dance form was introduced by the great Vaishnava saint Srimanta Sankardev. In which state did it originate? A. Assam, B. West Bengal, C. Manipur, D. Tripura. Correct answer is option A. Question 5th. Which UNESCO World Heritage Site is famously for its Rath-shaped temple architecture dedicated to the sun god? A. Hampi, B. Konark, C. Khajuraho, D. Patwari. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. The Kalamkari style of painting, which uses a bamboo pen and natural dyes, is a traditional art form of which state? A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option B. Question number 7. The Basoli school of painting is the earliest school of which larger regional painting tradition? A. Rajput paintings, B. Pahari paintings, C. Mughal paintings, D. Deccan paintings. Correct answer is option B. Question number 8. Sankirtana is a ritual singing, drumming and dancing art form included in the UNESCO representative list of intangible cultural heritage. It belongs to A. Manipur, B. Odisha, C. Kerala, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option A. Question number 9. The Buland Darwaza built by Emperor Akbar to commemorate his victory over Gujarat is located at A. Red Fort, Delhi, B. Agra Fort, C. Fatehpur Sikri, D. Humayun's tomb. Correct answer is option C. Question number 10. Which Indian musical instrument is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan associated with? A. Sitar, B. Sarod, C. Tabla, D. Flute. Correct answer is option B. Question number 11. The Fad painting, which depicts the heroic stories of local deities like Babuji and Devanarayan, belongs to A. Maharashtra, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Punjab. Correct answer is option B. Question number 12. In the context of Indian classical music, what is a raga? A. A rhythmic cycle, B. A melodic framework, C. A type of percussion instrument, D. A vocal technique only. Correct answer is option B. Question number 13. The shore temple built during the reign of the Pallava dynasty is located in A. Kanchipuram, B. Mahabalipuram, C. Thanjavur, D. Madurai. Correct answer is option B. Question 14. Vishu is the Hindu festival celebrated as the New Year in which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option C. Question 15. Which of the following is the oldest surviving rock cut cave in India? A. Ajanta Caves, B. Ellora Caves, C. Barabar Caves, D. Elephanta Caves. Correct answer is option C. Question 16. Ghumar is a traditional folk dance performed by women in which state? A. Haryana, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Punjab. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. The Tansen Samaro is a prestigious music festival held annually in which city? A. Gwalior, B. Jaipur, C. Varanasi, D. Lucknow. Correct answer is option A. Question 18. The Pithora painting is a ritualistic art form practiced by the Rathwa and Bhil tribes of A. Jharkhand, B. Gujarat, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Orissa. Correct answer is option B. Question 19. Which among the following is not a stringed instrument? A. Veena, B. Santoor, C. Shanai, D. Iktara. Correct answer is option C. Question 10. Question 20. The Chow dance, known for its use of masks and martial movements, is popular in which group of states? A. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, B. West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, C. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, D. Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim. Correct answer is option B.